with the audience. So, are we ready to start the fight?
Stand by.
No, I was going to get Honk that tower.
A lot of honks from the audience. We've got a clear favourite, but here comes Easy Over slamming down the frying pan. Yeah, if you think I was joking about the frying pan, I was not. It's sheer chaos. And they're going after the Gosling. And I'm not really sure what Honk can do here, other than put out the crazy chaos of Easy Over up against the wall. Pitch button is now enabled. You've got some balls now flying into the arena.
And I think it's clear that Easy Over is clear Honk is often when I see it.
So there's dust coming from the sides of the arena. That's how fast the impact is. And the Gosling with a major bump on the head. Easy Over actually managing to line up one of his shots. And Honk has just been chasing after Easy Over this whole fight. And after almost taking control here.
He's got a really hard absolutely sending the flying pan into the top, giving it just a flat on the face.
So we got a side swipe there. Easy Over side swipe and he's now the hit button has been enabled. The problem for Honk is that they just can't really get the push in position up against Easy Over. If you haven't got a headache yet, I'm sorry to say there's still some time left in this fight.
I'm sorry, so that was that swipe to go through and
So it's almost like Honk is egging over Easy Over to come over to the pit. I apologise, I have to get one in there. But wait, everything's gone quiet. I think we might have a winner.
Can you tell us what happened? I have not